Most video editors waste countless hours editing and reanimating these same motion graphics so that their video edits look super nice and clean. So today I'm sharing a free template pack for Premiere Pro that contains 80 of my favorite motion graphics presets that I use in almost every one of my videos. These free presets help me make clean animations like this, or even a cool animation like this. And yes, these presets and templates are completely free to download forever. You don't need any credit card. Let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, so to download this free templates pack for Premiere, you first go to our website, autoeditai.net. I've linked down to it below in the description. And once you come to this homepage, you can literally download this plugin completely for free, and then it'll give you in steps on how to install it. So if you're on a Mac, you just go ahead and double click this package file, and then it will take you through the installation process. We already did this, so you don't need to do this again. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is go back into Premiere, restart Premiere. So just go ahead, right click, quit, and restart Premiere. Once you've done so, go to Window, you hit extensions, and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. Now, all of the templates and motion graphics that I love to use are built into this plugin. And the reason why I actually asked my developer to do this is because I spend a lot of time in the graphics templates panel just looking for some of the motion graphics that I use commonly. I have a lot of MOGRTs, and the reason being so is because you can't just make a good video using the same motion graphics over and over again. So I compiled some of my favorite ones into this plugin. And the cool thing is you don't even have to drag and drop. Dragging and drop is a thing of the past. All I do is I click apply MOGRT, and boom, just like that, it automatically applies the MOGRT to our video. And look at that. We got these clean Apple animations. We can go ahead and scale them down. We can reposition them to wherever we want. And the cool thing is it's super customizable. So we can change stuff like the glow amount, all completely from the edits, the effects control panel, by the way. You can obviously change the text by hitting the drop down on the text and typing whatever you want, just like that. I could type my name, and it's super clean animated, like it has this cool Apple animation. That's just one of them. There's a bunch more. Like I'm telling you, please check this out. Like I said, all of these MOGRTs are completely free included with this plugin. So this one right here does like an underline effect. They're all in 4K, by the way. So maybe I should start with a 4K clip. But if you start in a 4K clip, they're all perfectly to scale. And then we can go ahead and change stuff like the underline color. Maybe we're saying something, negative, and then we want to highlight that. Like I said, fully customizable. There's even animated captions for short form or other like cool animations. So for this one example, like I obviously talk about Premiere Pro a lot. So I'll use this Premiere Pro motion graphics. I click and apply it, and boom. Now we have these Premiere Pro animation effects popping up on the sides of the screen. And the cool thing is it doesn't stop there. We can actually change these icons. So obviously you might not talk about Premiere Pro, but let's say you're talking about like Instagram or like a different app or service. You can go ahead and click open the properties panel, click this little hamburger icon, and click replace from Finder. Then you can go ahead and search for whatever icon you already have downloaded on your computer, like it's a PNG. So for example, right here, we can use this like Claude PNG icon, and boom, once we hit enter, it automatically replaces the icon and it updates it. And it already has like the out of depth blurriness, but if you want to get rid of the blurriness, of course, you can change it just like that. So like I said, super customizable. This is like super insane. We're able to get these level effects and motion graphics. Let me show you some other cool ones in here. There are these white background text animations, which I also love to use. This is like when I'm saying something very simple and I just want to have like a quick text animation just to show what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and scale this down like that. I'm going to go ahead and dock this plugin, by the way, over here, just so we can access it on the side whenever we need. And then we can go ahead and change this text to say whatever we want right here. Boom, look at this. Automatically has motion graphic animations for us. This is super helpful. Like I said, there's vertical variations, there's horizontal. This is really great for content creators. What's another good one in here? Ooh, this one, I love this one particularly for short form. So everybody's been doing these inverted like caption, Gaku Lang, I think that's how you say his name. And right here, we've included his style of caption templates. So we can hit apply MOGRT, and then boom, it creates these blurry animation text effects. Like I said, it's 4K, so we got to scale it down again. And we can go ahead and just reposition this to wherever we want. And look at this. This looks so clean. The fact that we're making these style effects in literally just the click of a button is super helpful, because nowadays we don't have to, redesign everything, build everything from scratch. It's all done for us. And then also particularly for this effect, there is the combination to use the difference blend mode. So you go to effects control panel and you go to your opacity, and then you change it to difference. And then this is how you create that Gaku Lang style, like inverted caption viral effect that everybody's been using recently. This isn't really the greatest application.
I'm going to teach you how to color grade inside of Premiere Pro.
Anyways, you can do those right here with this plugin. everything. Like I said, go ahead and check this out. We have a bunch of templates in here. I'm going to scroll through some of them just so you could see what we're working with. If you find these helpful, let me know. Or if you have any requests on like, hey, I'd like to add these types of captions, or can you add this style of effect to the plugin? Let me know so we can go ahead and add them, throw them in. Or if you have any like specific feature changes or requests, or like, oh, you know, if you could change this and make it like this instead of this, that would be helpful. Let me know. I am all down for anything. We just need to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. But like I said, all these motion graphics are completely free to download. You'll never have to pay for them. But if you want to also use Claude AI to automatically cut out the bad takes, filler words, repeats, and silences of your raw recording YouTube video and get that rough draft going. And in the future, there's going to be a new feature that automatically applies motion graphics to your video whenever it best sees as relevant. You can check out this video link right here where we explain how to use the Claude AI paid feature inside the AutoEdit plugin to automatically edit your content 10 times faster. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.